In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or update banking info on Gumroad 2026. Payout settings. If you've switched banks, closed an old account, or just want to refine how you get paid, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish with no guesswork. First, head to the Gumroad website and sign into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the settings area. Depending on your layout, this may be in the left sidebar or under your profile menu. Open it, then choose Payments or Payout Settings. This is the section where Gumroad keeps your payout methods and the banking details they use to send your earnings. Inside this page, you'll see your current bank account or payout method. Select it to reveal your options, then choose Edit, Update Bank Details, or Change Payout Method, whichever you see on your screen. Now enter your new banking information. You'll typically be asked for the account holder name exactly as it appears on the bank account, the bank account number, and a routing number, SWIFT code, or IBAN, depending on your country. You may also see fields for the bank name and, in some regions, debit card details if they're required for payouts. Take your time here. Make sure the spelling of the account holder matches your bank records, confirm the country format for numbers, and avoid extra spaces or characters that your bank doesn't use. Before moving on, double-check every field carefully to prevent payout delays. A single digit out of place can cause transactions to bounce or be held for review. When everything looks correct, click Save or Update to confirm the changes. After you submit, you may be prompted to complete identity verification before Gumroad approves the new payout account. This is a normal security step to protect your funds and ensure the bank information truly belongs to you. Once your details are saved, keep an eye out for confirmation that your new payout method is active. Processing times can vary, and some bank changes take a few business days to fully propagate. During this window, it's a good idea to monitor your payout settings page and any email notifications so you'll know exactly when the update is complete. That's it. You've updated your banking info on Gumroad. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be set up to receive payouts to the right place without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I'll